Get ready to rumble. The Truckstar Festival, Europe's mightiest trucking spectacle. Forget your average weekend getaway. Every July or August, the legendary TT circuit of Assen doesn't just host races, it explodes into the Truckstar Festival, Europe's undisputed king of truck gatherings. Since roaring into Assen in 1992, after a thrilling tour of Tilburg, Leiden, Utrecht, and Zandvoort from 1980-1991, this colossal event has become a sacred pilgrimage for truckers and enthusiasts alike. We're talking over 2,000 magnificent trucks gleaming under the summer sun, and a thunderous crowd of 60,000 fans ready to soak it all in. This isn't just about parking big rigs. Truckstar is a full-throttle celebration of the truck driver built on 3 electrifying pillars. The Powerhouse Trade Fair. Step into a dazzling world where truck manufacturers unveil their latest titans. Cutting-edge products are showcased, and an awe-inspiring collection of jaw-dropping special and custom trucks will make your heart pound. The adrenaline-fueled show arena. Hold on to your hats. The circuit's main straight transforms into a stage for death-defying stunts, high-octane games, and fierce competitions that will leave you breathless. It's pure, unadulterated horsepower and skill. The legendary Trucker Campsite. This is the beating heart of the festival. Imagine a sprawling city of chrome as 2,000 everyday hero trucks, driven by their proud owners, park side by side. The air crackles with camaraderie, music, and the buzz of thousands ready to party, watch the spectacle, and be part of the show themselves. And the crown jewel of the weekend? The fiercely contested election for the most beautiful truck in the Netherlands. A battle for prestige where chrome gleams, paintwork dazzles, and passion shines brightest. The driving force, Truckstar Magazine. This epic festival is orchestrated by none other than Truckstar Magazine, the iconic Dutch publication that's been the trucker's Bible since 1980. Dropping fresh every 4 weeks, it dives deep into the world of the truck driver, complemented by must-have annual specials like the Super Truck Special and the Heavy and Special Transport Special. Dominating the Netherlands and Belgium, Truckstar boasts near 100% brand awareness within the industry. It's not just a magazine, it's a phenomenon. After its launch, it was published by Sonoma Media, before New School Media took the wheel in mid-2014, ensuring the legacy continued. So, mark your calendars. Every last weekend of July, the Assen circuit transforms into the undisputed capital of the trucking world. It's where the Truckstar Festival roars to life, celebrating the machines, the drivers, and the crowning of the Netherlands' most stunning rig. This isn't just an event. It's an institution, a spectacle, and an unforgettable experience. And as always, trucking makes the world go round.